Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Last several days, I made a couple of videos on this. And if you didn't watch part one and two, you might want to watch it. But I was just playing before I deleted the file. And some of you that are maybe challenged to move things around and, snap to the object and, like I did in the other videos. And, I got the rotation. I don't want the rotation. You could snap to it and the other one's going to fit in there and a little bit cause problem. But let's control D and make a duplicate. Let's control D and make a duplicate and double click on the rotation and put it on that node. And then let's rotate it 60 degrees. And look how well they fit together. Now you can group that together. I actually hit Control D. Control G, Control D. Move the center rotation to there now, or any one of the points, and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. And you could just keep going. I didn't test it, but I'm going to have to think that's going to be the case. Control D to make a duplicate. Move the center rotation of that node 60 degrees. And look how big you're making the pattern. And all going to fit together. Now it is in the shape of a six-sided polygon, but that's, doesn't really matter because you could still do a lot with it. And, you could still go, if you wanted to make a lot, Control G, rotate it 30 degrees. So you'd have a flat side. And then you could do it with math, but Control D. And like we did in the first video, just grab that node and have it snap right to there. And then you could just keep going forever and ever and ever. You could go up, make a duplicate of that. As long as you get that sharp, crisp node and move it up, it'll snap to it. I'm having a little bit of problem. There we go. Look how big I made it. I mean, much bigger than I had before. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.